Let's begin with the image you want to work with. Drag and drop it onto your design page. Adjust the position and size of the image as needed. Next, click on BG Remover to delete the original background. Navigate to Elements and search for Background. Choose a background you like. Drag it onto the page. Then right-click on the background image and select Set Image as Background. That's it. If you want to change to a different background, drag the new background onto the page. Right-click and choose Replace Background. Please note that the BG Remover feature is only available for Canva Pro users. However, you can still utilize Canva with a free account. For background removal, you may need to use other applications in your browser. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.